Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about strategy, mindset, and smart choices. But where do you start? Let's dive into the steps to build wealth from scratch. This journey may take time, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to start your path to financial freedom. Stay with me. Before you can become a millionaire, you need to think like one. The rich aren't just lucky. They know how to make their money work for them. Start by shifting your mindset. Think of money as a tool, not a goal. Embrace risk and failure. Risk is essential for growth and wealth building. Continuous learning. Invest in yourself. Read, learn, and adapt. Patience. Wealth doesn't come overnight, but consistent growth does. Don't focus on short-term wins. Millionaires think in terms of long-term success. Start saving early. The earlier you begin, the more your money can grow. But savings alone won't make you rich. Investing will. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, make your money work for you. Start small. Even investing a little each month adds up in the long run. Diverse investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, real estate, and other assets. Avoid bad debt. Use credit wisely, but avoid high-interest debts that will slow down your growth. The wealthiest people invest consistently, whether the market is up or down. Time is your best friend when it comes to investing. Millionaires don't rely on just one source of income. They create multiple streams of revenue. Side hustles, investments, businesses, and freelancing are key to accelerating your wealth-building journey. Diversify your income, find side gigs, start an online business, or invest in properties. Use your skills. Leverage your skills in areas like freelancing or consulting. Look for passive income. Invest in assets that pay you passively over time. The more streams you create, the less reliant you become on any single income source. Success doesn't happen alone. Surround yourself with people who can help you grow. Mentors, like-minded individuals, and successful entrepreneurs. Learn from those who have already walked the path. Find mentors. Learn from people who are where you want to be. Network. Build relationships with others who share your vision. Collaborate. Opportunities often arise through collaboration, not isolation. The right network can open doors you didn't even know existed. Becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. You will face setbacks, challenges, and doubts. But the key to success is consistency. Keep learning, keep saving, and keep pushing yourself forward. Stay consistent. Don't stop when things get tough. Success requires persistence. Focus on long-term goals. Keep your eyes on the prize, financial freedom. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. With hard work, smart choices, and time, you'll build the wealth you desire. Now that you know the steps, it's time to take action. Start small, think big, and never stop learning. Your path to millionaire status starts today. Let's move the path. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips on how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Let me know in the comments where you are in your journey to becoming a millionaire. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.